Do you recognize this beat? It's Morse code for SOS. A signal for people in distress recognized the world over. Every year, more and more people are affected by disasters and need support to survive, to recover, and to be better prepared for the future. And so the beat goes on. But no matter who needs a helping hand, wherever they may be, do you know who's always there, listening and answering the call? Our millions of unstoppable Red Cross and Red Crescent volunteers. And they never miss a beat.